What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Charles Enoch, and yes, I'm back like a heart attack. All right, maybe not a heart attack, because hearts can be a little serious. I'm gonna say I'm back like a boomerang. Like I was way out there, found my way back, right? Anyway, y'all know how I like to start things. Run the intro. So look, everybody's been asking, where's Charles at? So it's only right I wear my Where's Waldo shirt, right? But all jokes aside, it's been a long 2023 for me. I found out some life-changing things, and I had to make some critical decisions to create the future we wanted for our family. The decision we made held us back financially, and honestly, I wouldn't wish this upon anyone. But hey, what doesn't kill you makes you stronger. So super long story short, your boy is about $150,000 in debt. Yes, you heard that right, $150,000. No worries though, because I'm going to use 2024 to pay down this debt, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how I'm going to do it. So if you're new to the channel, go ahead, take a little time, hit that subscribe button, make sure the notification button is turned on as well, as I'll be making weekly videos where we'll take a deep dive into my personal finances and how we're going to use Velocity Banking to pay my debt down. Also, I received a lot of comments on my previous Velocity Banking videos saying that there was some audio issues going on. So I invested in better audio equipment, as you guys can tell. So I'll be making several more Velocity Banking videos so we can take a deep dive into the method and how it works. I also want to say I appreciate the people that's continued to rock with me through the start of my YouTube channel. I look forward to growing and getting this information out to the masses. Like always, I appreciate the love. Y'all stay blessed.